I'm Remy Morton. I'm from the Gold Coast, Australia. I currently live in Queenstown, New Zealand. We are at the base of Sheep Hill in Glacier View in Alaska, filming some pretty crazy big mountain stuff, and yeah, pretty stoked to be up here experiencing it. Yes, this 2022 Common Soul Furious. So far it's been awesome. First proper trip on it, and yeah, really happy with how it's going. Wheels, I'm running WR1 coupe rims on Hope hubs. Actually pretty blown away. This is the first time I've really ridden rocks on them. A lot of the time in the last year I've ridden a lot of park style riding, and so I'm pretty impressed with how they're going. And suspension, on the rear I'm running an EXT Armour V3 shock. Definitely the longest lasting shock I've ever had without any issues. It's been the most reliable product I've probably ever ran on my bike, so yeah, really happy with that one. Front is a 2014 Fox 40. Got it secondhand off Marketplace. It seems to be holding up pretty strong, pretty happy with it. Tyres running Maxxis Minion DHFs, 2.5 wide. They're a pretty iconic tyre and sort of a good all-rounder for everything I ride. Cockpit, I'm running Chromag OSX bars, Chromag Director stem, Sensus grips, Hope brakes, Hope headset as well. They're all pretty good. Brakes work well, the grips are the best. Yeah, the rig's going hard. It's definitely the first time bringing it into this kind of environment, and pretty stoked on how it's riding.